Firstly, I will say thank you to the people of India to teach the BJP government that their demand or their thought of 400 par and 400 seats. The people of the country taught them a lesson for all the promises that they made that they didn't fulfill, and the religion-based politics that they played, and they were not happy, and they taught them a lesson by bringing them down to a number that was fit for them. Yes, I'm very happy that Priyanka is going to be in, fight for an election from Wayanad. I've always maintained that Priyanka's position is Priyanka should be in Parliament, because it's not only that she should be campaigning and taking all the risks and efforts and be, campaigning for days and working for the party throughout and not be in Parliament. So my thought was definitely that I would like to see her in Parliament. And as everybody demanded that, that you should be, for me to be in Parliament, I always maintained that I would like to see Priyanka in Parliament before me, and then I can follow whenever is the right time. But I'm very happy that she's going to be fighting from Wayanad, and I hope the people give her a very good mandate. Most importantly, our focus was to fight for the people of the country, to make sure these divisive governments that were creating all kinds of religion-based issues, there was unemployment, women's safety, the farmers' issues, and, inflation. All these points were very, very significant and important to fight. And I know that Rahul and Priyanka fought very hard. They traveled everywhere. And they created a Gathbandhan, and that got, the whole, everybody came together. And today we have a stronger opposition. The country required that. And I think it's important to have a strong opposition to retain our democracy. I think the BJP government will think twice before misusing agencies and, misusing their position. And I think this correction was required, and the country needed this correction. And I think as this coalition government of India that has come about, they understand the efforts that Rahul has made. And, he's, all his yatras have done well. He's met with everybody, and he's learned from his dadi, his father, his mother, and for the legacy he's understood, and he's worked very hard. And people want a change, and they can see him as a leader. And I think every person in the coalition government made an effort. We had very good, surprising victories in different states. And I think I would say that now, now that Rahul obviously fought from two areas, I think he would like to see his sister in one of the areas, and Wayanad is being selected for Priyanka. And she still has to fight the election, so it's going to be an election to be fought. And I hope she wins with an astounding majority, and I would like to see her give her speeches and be relevant in the parliament. I'm always there to help the family, but I don't want to create any kind of distraction. The focus should be on Rahul and Priyanka. I'm always there to help them, and the people always come with their issues and needs and demands to me. And I always discuss the same thing with my family. And I do my charity, I do my own spiritual visits, and I'm always helping people. And I always feel I don't really need to be in politics to help them, but people feel that I should be in politics. And definitely with Priyanka, I will be there for her nomination. I will be there to campaign with her and make sure that she gets a very good majority, and that's what my dream was always, for her to be in Parliament. They are worried. They are troubled. They are huddling together to understand now what next can they do, or how they can, counter this kind of, group that will take them on even stronger. definitely Priyanka will raise the decisions, the needs of the people for the women. She had a slogan, "Main ladki hoon, lad sakti hoon," and she's fought for the women for a long time, and the voices of the women will be raised in the parliament once again. And definitely BJP needs to look into their own party and understand whoever the candidates that they have, whoever their parliamentarians they have, look at their history. Have their fathers been in parliament? Have their relatives been in parliament? They've all had people who've been in parliament. So they cannot talk about Parivarvad and stuff like that. I mean, it's not even, people don't even want to hear that anymore. They are existing because of their own coalition. The day their coalition partners leave them, which looks very, which could happen and soon. And I think they should be worried about that and think about that. And we will be fighting them tooth and nail. And it's right now Priyanka, and in the near future I could be part of it also. And we'll fight them and make sure that there's a secular government, there's in our country, and everybody's treated equal, and everybody's heard, and everybody feels secure. All those things matter, and where BJP just thinks about themselves and a few other people that they want to benefit, which will not be accepted by the Congress party. First, let's deal with making sure Priyanka wins with a good majority. And I'm always there helping people, even if I'm in parliament or not. But everybody still looks at me as a politician and not as a businessman or a normal person in India. So I will say that let's wait for Priyanka and Rahul to establish themselves with this coalition and also in parliament, and then I'll be partaking in it. I'll work hard, and I'll work so that it's not because of my family that I'm partaking in it. I'll win an election also on the hard works that I've achieved myself. And I think she's going to make a real difference in parliament, and she's going to be a very good support for Rahul and the Congress to become stronger. And I know that she has a lot of experience in this time that's gone by, and she's learned from her father and her grandmother, and she knows a lot of things on the ground, what is needed, and she'll fight for the people of the country. And I think a secular government, women's safety, and many other things that she's been working on, fighting for. And it's good that it's taken a while for her to come there, because you learn in this time when you're working in UP and you're working in different parts of the country, you understand what the needs of the country are and the people's needs, and that's when you should be credible enough and you should have that kind of experience to be in parliament, and not when a person asks the question, who's the first prime minister of the country, and who doesn't even know and says something wrong, and still they're in parliament. I really wonder what they're going to be able to, how they're going to be able to deliver. And I'm happy to see people like Smriti Irani are not going to be in parliament anymore, because they only are there to create problems and use the family's name, the Gandhi family's name, to get themselves recognized and not really be of any use in parliament. So I'm very happy to see Priyanka hopefully to be in parliament if she wins the election, and I hope she does win with majority, and she'll make the difference that is required.